Never miss my updates. Do subscribe my channel Raghu Neat Tutorial.
The absorption of lipid or lipid absorption after the complete emulsification, what is that? The fats are converted into glycerols, fatty acids and monoglycerols. So after the digestion, these are ready to absorb into small intestine to blood capillaries or blood veins or blood capillaries. So first one, the glycerols are transformed through the diffusion method. The glycerols are transformed very simplest way, that is known as a diffusion method. But the exception of these two ones are absorption through the nothing but these are one of the hydrophilic in nature. So these are, let's discussing about these two one, fatty acids and the monoglycerols. First one, the glycerols are shown diffusion method. But these two are, what is that? Fatty acids and monoglycerols are shown, what is that? Hydrophobic in nature. These are hydrophobic in nature. What is the hydrophobic nature? In bile salts, are have the one of the head region and the tail regions of the bile salts are consisted of head and tail portion. Head portion and tail portions are present in bile salt. The head portion is called hydrophilic. The tail portion is called hydrophobic. What is the tail portion is called? Hydrophobic. The head region is called hydrophilic. So the fatty acids and monoglycerols are completely covered by around by one of the bile salts. These cells are called as micelles. What is the micelles? The fatty acids and monoglycerols are completely around by bile salts, are nothing but what is the hydrophilic and hydrophobic are known as micelles. How can able to absorb into small intestine to blood region? Let's discuss. It is one of the tube-like structure. It is represents of small intestine. The wall of small, we know that the wall of small intestine consists of a number of finger-like projections. These are known as the microvilli, are commonly called as the brush border hemorrhages. These are capable due to absorption of already digested food. Okay. So these micelles are enters into the near of what is that? Microvilli. Enters into the near of the microvilli. That is known as a micelles. Near of the microvilli. These are already digested. And semi-fluid in nature. Which nature? These are fats, but these are completely digestion by the bile salt. These are semi-fluid in nature. Semi-fluid in nature. Which one semi-fluid in nature? The micelles are semi-fluid in nature. So these are when it enters into the microvilli. The semi-fluid nature of these micelles are connected with or attached with what is the microvilli. The process is called as a pinocytosis. What is that? Pinocytosis. The semi-fluid nature of fat or micelles are transformed into the cell through the cell membrane. The process is called as pinocytosis. What is the pinocytosis? Very, very important. Pinocytosis. What is the pinocytosis? The semi-fluid fat or micelles are transforms into cell region through the cell membrane. membrane. Through the cell membrane. This process is called as a pinocytosis. Cyto means cells. Cyto means cells. So pin means what is that? Drink. Pino means drink. Very important. The word is derived from the Latin. Pino means drink. Cyto means what is that? Cyto means cells. Lysis means division. When it is attachment of the microvilli, these are having one of the depression. The process is called as pinocytosis. Like that. These micelles are enters and attach, having one of the depression. Having one of the depression when it is attached into the region. This process is called pinocytosis or pinocytosis. Pinocytosis. Okay. After these, what is that? After these one, which one? These biles are completely removed. After these biles are completely removed. Biles are completely removed. In the cell region, the Golgi body. In the cell region, the Golgi bodies are there. These Golgi bodies are there. These Golgi bodies are what is that? Formation of one of the layer around the fat body, around the fat cells. These Golgi bodies are producing of protein molecule, protein coated layer around the fat, around the fats. This one, this moves, and the actioning of Golgi body, actioning of the Golgi body. This one, which one? The fatty acid. The fatty acids are completely covered by one of the protein membrane. Which one? Protein membrane. This is called chylomicron. Chylomicron. What is the chylomicron? There is a protein. What is that? The protein coated membrane. It is completely overlapped by what is the fat cells. This process is called as a chylomicron. Next one. After the formation of the chylomicron, these are represents into blood cells, blood capillaries. So these chylomicrons are enters into the microvilli. The microvilli are nothing but these are submucosa region to mucosa region. In this mucosa region have these known as this mucosa region. These are have one of the blood capillaries, and along with number of the lymphatic vessels are there. Blood capillaries and lymphatic vessels are there. Lymphatic vessels and blood capillaries are present. The blood capillaries and lymphatic vessels. These two. Next one. This what is that? Like what is that? Fat molecules are enters into the lymphatic vessels. Lymphatic vessels. The lymphatic vessels are look like a milkish color. Nothing but milk-like structure, milk-like color. So this type of lymphatic cells are called as a lactal cells. What is the lactal cell? These are look like a milkish color. So these lymphatic cells are called as a lactal cell. There is a asking most number of the questions in lactal cells. What is the lactal cells? In the submucosa region, have a one of the lymphatic systems. One of the lymphatic vessels are there. The lymphatic vessels are absorption of fat molecules into lymph region. So these vessels are look like a milkish color, nothing but milk-like color. So these vessels are called as a lactal cells. So next one, these lactal cells are directly connected with blood capillaries, The blood capillaries to hepatic system to various parts of the body. Let's discuss once again. What is the lipid absorption? After the digestion of the lipids, the lipids are converted into a simplest form known as glycerols, fatty acids, and monoglycerols. The glycerols are diffusion. The glycerols are enters into the small intestine through the diffusion method. There is no involvement of the energy, nothing but there is no expenditure of the energy. But these fatty acids and monoglycerols are expenditure of energy. So these are shown hydrophilic in nature. hydrophilic in nature. So what is that? The bile salts, the mixturing of the bile salt, which one? Fatty acids and monoglycerols are mixturing with bile salts. These are having the biles are consistent of the head and tail part. The head is called as a hydrophilic. The tail is called as a hydrophobic. The hydrophilic and hydrophobics are completely bind with one of the fat cells. The fat cells and along with the bile salts are called as a micelles. Okay, these micelles are enters into the small intestine region, nothing but microvilli region. These are present in small intestine, but these are reaches into microvilli, enters into the microvilli. Before this enters into the microvilli, these micelles are having one of the fluid-like substances, semi-fluid-like substances. The semi-fluid-like substances are enters into the microvilli. Before the semi-fluid fats or micelles are transformed into cell region through the plasma membrane. This process is called as a pinocytosis. When it is enters into the microvilli region, these are having one of the depression. The fat cells along with bile salts are both are enters into the microvilli region. When after the bile salts are completely removed, only the fat cells are present. When the cell region, there is enters into the cell. The cell region have a Golgi complex. The Golgi bodies are completely overlapping of one of the protein molecules around the fat. The process is called as a chylomicron. The process is called chylomicron. Next one, this chylomicron. After completion of the chylomicron process, these fat cells are enters into the submucosa region and to mucosa region. This region, these are having a number of the tube-like one of the ducts are there. These are known as the lymphatic vessels. These lymphatic vessels are collecting of fat molecules. These look like a milkish color. So these cells are called as lactal cells. So these are getting These are absorption of fat molecules and directly connected with the hepatic portal system. Nothing but blood vessels to hepatic portal system. The hepatic portal system to enters into the various nothing but transporting into various parts of the body through the blood vessels and blood capillaries. So this is known as a absorption of lipids. Thank you.